Al-Bara ibn Azib, may Allah be pleased with him, reported the Prophet, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, was on a journey and he performed the Ishā prayer, reciting in one of the two rakhas, Sūrat At-Tīn. I have never heard anyone with a better voice or recitation than his. Authentic Hadith, narrated by Al-Bukhari and Muslim. Explanation. The Prophet, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, recited Sūrat At-Tīn, which is a short surah, in the first rakhas of the Ishā prayer, because he was on a journey. While traveling, one should be keen on making things easier because of the hardship of traveling. Even though the Prophet, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon him, was on a journey, he didn't abandon what evokes humility and attentiveness of the heart in prayer when listening to the Qur'an, which is beautifying one's voice with the recitation of the Qur'an in prayer.